want to convert this text into table. Now keep in mind one thing before you do the procedure. The text should be separated by one another by a comma or a tab or something, a character like this comma. Here this text are separated from one another by comma. Here also separated by comma, comma. Here also separated by comma. Now if we want to convert this text into table, let's do it. Select all the text. Go to insert and insert, go to table. Here in table, select convert text to table. The selected text will be go to table. Here it shows that the columns will be 2 because there are 2 columns, because there is 1 comma in between the text. If there are 3 commas after the bacteria comma and some things after the bacteria is written, then there will be 3 columns, and there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are number of row is 5. Then select OK. The text is converted into a table and the comma is removed by the MS Word automatically. Now if you want to change the design of the table, like this is simple table. If you want to change the design, click here like this. Your table will be shown like this. If you want to change this, select the table and click on here. Your table will be changed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.